welcome to Cece's channel. I would like to introduce myself. I started a channel for Hong Kong people since I'm immigrated to Portugal from UK about 2 years ago, and my channel predominantly targets for Hong Kong people to have curiosity of moving here. But I thought I could just use some of my content in English and help and navigate, trying to help overseas people in the West and trying to navigate what kind of property, what sort of investment you can get, and which is solid and well returned in Portugal. So without further ado, I'm going to show you a clip that I find in a property that I found Setubal. It's a property that's situated near Lisbon, about 30 minutes drive, and suitable for local people. There's a local community that people living here. There's factories, there's car factories with jobs. There is a local community of 100,000 people living here, and I'm going to show you a few properties that I think is a good return and good yielding. So watch this space. Soon I'm going to post some more videos of property that we find in Portugal that we think is really worth a while and is safe for your investment, not going to disappoint you. There's nothing going to be misleading, most likely. And in the market out there, when you're looking for property in Portugal, quite often there is a lot of agent trying to mark up the price that is highly inflated and mostly targeted to foreign investor rather than for local people. The property that we show are mainly for local people who want to reside and that they invest in themselves. So I hope that you enjoy it and watch this clip. If you like my videos, please comment below and tell me what you think. The owner renovated it 2019.
Nova tem 8 meses de uso, está por 279 para dar já um bocadinho.
It's the living room.
Tem ali várias soluções para este tipo de cliente. Nós aqui temos pouco.
Open plan. There's also aircon here. Again, it's really clean. So outside the kitchen window, we see blocks of flats. Like so, actually the window is really smooth sliding. Really nice to install. Opposite is a library there. 呢個係圖書館. And we got a football court. Really pleasant residential area in Setubal. And we are going to hit onto another balcony. It's got a bit of fouling issue here, which is from the... And they're creating some eggs. Yeah. I can see some pigeons with eggs. But not a big deal, you just have to because there's no one living here. The aircon unit. This balcony is not very wide. All in all, well-conditioned apartment. Thank you. And it is this bedroom's actually an ensuite. This is a conditioner, what you call a T3, with a step up here. It's got like a little half a step to go up. The bathroom is with a double sink, which is quite a nice surprise. In an apartment like this, it's got like extractor heater fan, walk-in showers. It's immaculate. We are gonna hit onto the balcony. This is what you call indoor balcony. In Portugal, it's very common. The trend lately is to take this down and having like an open space, but this family made it all double glazing, which is very pleasant. I can see a bit of issue here at the top of the marquee with mold. I think probably some condensation need to be addressed. Walking towards the hallway. Now walking into, so literally every room's got aircon, separating units. We're gonna see a bathroom in the hallway. This apartment is T3. Traditionally in Portugal, T3 means like a 3-bedroom apartment with one bathroom, which is en suite. So they actually have a hallway of bathrooms. So altogether 2 bathrooms. Size is 86 square meter, and the year of build is 1979. Price is 191k. So this is situated in an area called Lisbon. It's kind of like residential, quite peaceful, pleasant area that most people like to live here from locals. And the reason why is because it's got like quite a nice famous public school here that like a lot of people like to reside. And how far is it from the station? It's sort of 10 minute drive, and but it's like got a parks around, and basically all around like a pleasant residential area that is like famous for local people to move here. Most people like to live here. There's got a very famous bakery, and it's just safe and pleasant. The year of build is 1979. It's got like 2 lifts. We are situated on the 3rd floor. This building, the highest floor is 6. So apart from a little bit of a damp issue on the ceiling in the marquee, there's not really a huge issue in the apartment. Everything is all renovated completely by the year of 2019. We have double glazing in each window. I tested the windows, really good quality. And each room has got air cons, like separated units. So really good condition flat. We are expecting rental on €850 per calendar month, and really easy to rent out. For investment is best. I think you can literally buy it and then rent it out from day one. Okay, see you later.